Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you something very different today. So we're gonna make an app in Artist Lab. So yeah, so what is Artist Lab? You might not know what's Artist Lab, but I'll introduce to you. Artist Lab is something like a kind of a lab, where you can do your creative works, and you can show your creative minds. Okay, so the ones you have. Okay, so we're gonna do Artist Lab today. So yeah, the steps to use Artist Lab are: open code.org, log in with your email address and password. You know your email address and password. If you don't know, let me just tell you, if you're an iOS user, what you can do is you can like, if you have an app called Notes, in that you can just save your ID password. Like, even I have done it, so I have kept it as ID as Falak so and so, and then my password as so and so. Okay, like that. So yeah, so now let's get started with it. So this is the app which we're gonna make today. So yeah, this looks amazing. It looks amazing, right? And yeah, I'll teach you more in this, like some logos and stuff. So like today we're gonna do this, and in my next video I'll upload kind of a social media logo. And the person you just met currently was my brother, who is just peeping in between, but never mind. Okay, so yeah, this is a very different lab. So let's just see how it's made. See, we'll be making this today, and it's called a beautiful design. It's like a rangoli, you can say, kind of. Yeah. Okay, so we have this code set with 2 from I. Okay, so like in between. Yeah. Oh, what the? Okay, so I'm just gonna go on code.org. I've just saved it as a bookmark out here. If you want, you can too do that. So instead of that, even you can type it out here like this. Oh, I typed it wrong, but never mind, I got it because it's very famous. Nowadays it become too famous. It's already logged in, guys, so I'm not showing you the logging in part thing. And if you don't know how to make your account in code.org, then I'll just link the video in my description, the one which I made earlier. You can have a look at it. Okay, so we're not going to go to Sprite Lab, we're going to go to Artist. That is the Artist Lab. Okay, now we are here. So I'll tell you some of the differences between them. In Artist, normally we have a workspace, then you have a block palette, then you have the stage or a play area, and then over here currently you have this kind of a person standing with a pencil, whereas in Sprite Lab you have a purple bunny by default. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to brushes, and we're gonna set a width of the brush. Like how in normal brushes we have like thin brushes has thick, and sorry, I mean, these flat brushes are thick and thin, whereas even round brushes are thick and thin. Okay, so like that we're gonna set it to 2. You can even test it if you want. I'm just keeping it 2 for me. Then we're gonna go to loops, and we're gonna change it to from I to what we set it here, 5, right? We're gonna set it to 5, and then we're gonna set it to 300. And then count by what? We're not gonna remove this, and we're gonna choose over here. No, we're gonna remove. We're gonna just get this here again from math. If you removed it, if you copied it, then, and we're gonna set it to 2. So that means that I is a variable from 5 to 300. Count by 2. Count by 2 means count by 2 seconds, something like that. Okay, it's all the code languages. Yeah. I'm not going into detail. All this video will become too boring for you all, and you'll be like, Falak is just wasting a time out here. Never mind. So you remove that pixels के सामने जो दिया था, and then you just take this. You just use the variable. Go to variable. Sorry. You go to I. That's in variables. You go here, and you get it to I pixels. Okay, then we're gonna choose it to turn right by 75 degrees. We have 90 degrees. Oh my gosh, that's 262 degrees. We have 90 degrees. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We can even type it out here. See, 90 degree. Wow, that looks amazing. That looks so, yeah, these looks like illusions. Yeah, you can say these look like illusions. You can create this one also if you want. Yeah, and like I would like you all to share your projects on the comment section so that it makes me happy to see your works, and I'll also keep a comment if I like it. Okay, and of course I'm going to like all of them because these are so beautiful pattern, guys. Amazing. But what we now want is currently 75 degrees. So that looks like this. Oh, it came to this. Okay, so my brother is too engrossed in this. He loves it, actually. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna set a brush. That's gonna be your by default. It will be red, green, blue. So you have no option. You can remove it. Okay. Let it be 255 over here. Remove from blue and choose it to I. The I is an variable. See, even here I've done it to that. Oh no, I made a mistake. See, but the design comes out good. Must say that. You're gonna go to math and we're gonna choose this. And now we're gonna choose it to minus 255. That's we're gonna go to math and we're gonna get this option. We're gonna choose your 255. And then over here we're gonna choose nothing. We're gonna remove this variable. We're gonna go here and we're gonna go here and then we're gonna select it and then we get it out. See, the design which we desired, we got it. Yeah, a desired design, we got it. What you can do is, how I said earlier, you can, this thing like 75 degrees, you can change it to, oh my gosh. See, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. You don't do those, huh? Those are very, very easy. These are so good. The one which I wanted 90 degrees. Let's see how that looks. Amazing. Great. But we want to keep it to 75. Okay. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this. And you might be thinking, what is this tortoise and hare doing out here? So, that's nothing. Tortoise is very slow. So, you can keep it in the slow mode. Whereas, if you want in fast mode, you can just keep it to the rabbit mode. Or the hare mode. Okay. So, see this. If I keep it in middle, what happens if I keep it in middle? Okay, it goes see. If I keep it too slow, let's see. Oh, I hate the sound currently. Okay, never mind. So that's what. This is an app. And in the next video, mostly I will show you how to make an app. How to make a YouTube logo. That's gonna be an artist lab again. And if not, then something different. Yeah. Okay. And I'm very, very happy that YouTube is not banned. And even Insta is not banned. And none of the apps are banned. But people are saying it's going to be banned on 20th July and stuff. But I don't know. Okay. But till then, I'll be uploading all the videos so that you can have all the knowledge, you can access it free. Okay? Stay safe, guys. Love you.